All right, this is a follow-up to my stateroom tour of the Infinite Balcony Central Park View. And in my stateroom tour, I looked all over for the safe. I looked over here, I looked over here, and this was a clue. Someone told me where to look. They said, look behind the mirror. Well, I looked behind that mirror. You can't move that mirror. But look at this. This full-length mirror. Oh my goodness. There it is. There is the secret safe. Now I know. And there's more shelves. So that is the follow-up to my stateroom tour for the secret location of the safe. See that? I would have never guessed. So hope you enjoyed it, and we'll leave you with the nighttime view from my Central Park View balcony, which I have the window up, but the view, pretty cool. There's the view, and there's the room. Thanks for watching. Now you know.